Got this beautiful view from the living room, a big size balcony, 3 BHK with 2 bathrooms, like you can tell 2.5 BHK master bedroom with full size wardrobe, locks and a attached washroom. You got this beautiful view from your bedroom as well, directly swimming pool view. This is the living room. You have kitchen over here. It's a fully functional modular kitchen. You can check the size. You got utility area over here. I'll show you the kitchen. Baskets, every tandem box has been done. Chimney has been fitted. Got place for your washing machine. This is the view. So this is the TV cabinet. This will be the common washroom. You got 2 washroom, one attached, one common. This is the second bedroom. You got a view of beautiful. This is the Prestige Hydra. You got this view and open greenery from this bedroom as well. I got again wardrobe with locks. This will be the third bedroom. Again you have same view of children's playing area, some sitting arrangement, Prestige clock tower and a beautiful sky view. Even there is lake over there. Wardrobe with locks.